Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. So the project title name is Arduino based alcohol sense alert system. Sense engine lock using GPS, GSM, SMS alert and call alert. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it will gives to Arduino Uno R3 board, and the GSM SIM 800C module we are using, and those are RX, TX 0 and 1. GPS GY6MV2 GPS module connected to the external serial communication of 4th pin. So these are the GPIO pin numbers of Arduino board. MQ3 alcohol sensor connected to the A0. 16x2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Engine connected to the 7th pin. Alarm connected to the 6th pin. Red LED, one green LED indicators, LED indicators, those are connected with A4 and A5. This is our block diagram of the project. So we are getting the alert, call alert and SMS alert. If you open this, it will show you the Google Map, exact Google Map location, svsembedded. Okay, SMS alert, and we are getting the call alert also. So first of all, we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So it connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply board. So this is GSM SIM 800C. Press it, it will come outside. So here you can use GSM SIM 800C, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. So here we are using Idea SIM card. Cut should be always outside. Okay, cut should be always outside. Okay, press it, it will go inside. Press it, it will come outside. GSM SIM 800C. Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button, USB programming, 80 mega 328 controller board, and one red LED and one green LED indicators, MQ3 alcohol sensor, and a 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Engine, alarm, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module and a GPS antenna. Power on. Arduino based alcohol sense, engine lock, GPS, GSM. So here GPS signal is coming, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, SIM card is also inserted on the GSM module. Okay, so there is no alcohol. So engine on, alarm off, green LED on, there is no alcohol. Okay, so now I am taking alcohol based hand sanitizer. I am taking alcohol based. Okay, some alcohol I am taking. Alcohol detected, 200 above, set point is 200. Red LED on, engine off, alarm on, continuous alarm on, sending SMS alert. Okay, yeah, SMS received. Okay, alcohol detected. So we will wait. Once one SMS for me, other SMS for student number. Calling. Alcohol detected. Location latitude 92 project session call. SMS alert, call alert. Two rings for a call alert. Power supply board, GSM module, MQ3 alcohol sensor, GPS antenna, GPS module, 16x2 LCD display, alarm, engine, motor, red LED, one green LED indicator, Arduino Uno R3 board. And here we are using total block diagram of the project with pin numbers. Okay, so 180 below there is no alcohol. Okay, green LED on, engine on. If alcohol detected, okay, alcohol detected. So I am taking alcohol based sanitizer, 2 drops added in this, and I am showing to alcohol sensor. So it will send SMS alert, and as well as SMS came. Click it, it will show you on the Google Map location. miss call alert. And this is our total block diagram of the project. This is hardware kit of the project. Calling second number means student mobile number. Once call completed, it will go back to the main position. So power supply board, GSM SIM 800C module, okay, red LED, green LED, MQ3 alcohol sensor, normal. So 180, 200 below normal, 200 and above alcohol detected, antenna, GPS module, alarm, fan. Okay, so alcohol, once you show the alcohol to the alcohol sensor, red LED on, alarm on, engine off. Thank you.